As we moved out of our first year, one thing that was really important to us was being taken seriously. I felt as if people saw our business as a husband and wife growing some vegetables in the backyard. And I probably wasn't wrong. I think people did see it that way. And I think if I'm really honest, I think that maybe we saw it that way a little bit, that we didn't feel it was yet a business. And we made a real effort to change our thinking of our business to becoming a real farm, in how we presented the farm, how we thought about the farm, how we ran the farm. It's one of the reasons we don't call it market gardening. We call it farming because it was important to us that we had this real business. It changed the way we perceived it, and in turn it changed the way that others perceived it. And that was important. Our clients needed to know that we were going to be there when they needed it, that we were going to be consistent, that we had quality, that we were not washing our vegetables in our kitchen sink, that they were going to be clean when they got them, that our invoicing was going to be correct, that we were going to send them the correct amounts. This was incredibly important. And we had to internalize it, that this is a real business, thinking of it as a real business, that we're business owners, we're entrepreneurs. And regardless of what was going on in the field, regardless if there's weeds, if things are going wrong, still that fence between you and the public and you and the customers, to maintain that business, that it's a farm, professional. It's not just a place where people can stop by, it's a working farm, working business. And when we made that change, so many other things started falling into place. Our orders went up, our systems got better, our management got better, and we started thinking bigger, thinking in bulk, thinking larger. And it made a huge impact on our farm to make that farm real.